Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm doing an opening video of something very interesting. So here we go. So today I got a MacBook Air because my computer is like all screwed up and stuff for school, and so I need this for school, and I'm going to use it for editing and stuff. So I'm excited. So let's open it. So I'm super excited. I have to do this all with like one hand because I'm using my phone. Oh. This stuff off. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done ripping this plastic off. Alright, so I took the lid off, and here is the actual thing. So here it is. It looks beautiful. And let's take it out. This is my first like actual Mac. So this is really exciting for me, and I'm sorry about my flash. So here's the actual thing. I'm gonna flip this over. Maybe there's some stuff in the under compartment, like the charger. Here. This is great. You need that to charge your thing. And then here's the instruction manual, I think. And then here's something. Please read software license agreement, blah, blah, blah. I really don't care. Okay. So what you do is you pull this off. And you pull. Actual MacBook Air. I'm using my brother's, so I know how to use it. It's super thin. This is awesome. Open it up like this. Here's the sheet. It protects the screen. So here it is. Here's my new MacBook Air. It's beautiful. I am so amazed by this. And I'm going to need to set it up. So let's see if it has any power. These basically, there we go. Look guys, it's turning on. This is me setting it up. Yeah, we want to use English. We're in the United States, US, and this I'm not going to show. So we'll be back once this is over.